Hey, boo. Hi. Hi.
Who is the greatest dog ever? I did not like that dog.
Hey, y'all. Hair looks crazy. I'm editing a TikTok right now. I have to wash and straighten my hair because I have a
hair, Mom?
yeah.
Me. Please. I want to do it again.
Okay.
Yay!
Because I have to do a training. Y'all look. This is an update on this. Stop, Cam.
I'll be a hairdresser if I want to be a hairdresser. You can come over to my shop, okay?
That's what it's looking like now. What are you doing, buddy? Say hi, guys. All right, gentle.
Yay!
They see your doggy. They like your doggy. Okay? Do you got him?
I don't think there's anybody who picks him
Hi.
up.
Huh?
You love him?
Stop. Yeah, it's me.
All right, put him down, Cam.
Me too, Daddy. I want big eggs. Daddy.
Hey, babe.
What's up?
Okay, put him down, Cam. Gentle.
Good morning, y'all.
Babe, Lord, you all
You know, it's Wednesday.
comb and dandruff in their face.
Not I. You know, it's Wednesday, what? December the 9th.
Taylor's eating an apple. We're about to start her assignments for today. Are you ready, girlfriend?
I'm your daughter, not girlfriend.
Excuse
What
me.
you do?
I'm your daughter, not your girlfriend.
She got you straight.
Don't disrespect me, little girl. Yeah, I cannot believe this happened to me. So this is what happened. This was here. Since CJ said he doesn't understand how this happened. This was here. My cup was here. It started whistling. I opened this to stop it from whistling. I went to grab my cup and shh, got me. Got a package here from my corporate marketing team. So I'm gonna look at this in a second. I'll show y'all what I got. And then I also don't know what's in that box over there. So I'll show y'all that too.
Okay.
You know how to make cake?
Yes. You guys
All right, y'all, I just got a cleanse in the mail. So needed, especially after the holidays. So I'm gonna be doing this cleanse today because I haven't eaten anything yet. And then this is our new coffee. This is my second box. The first batch I got, I loved it so much that I decided to get another. So good. Taylor, this is the kind that you like. I let her taste it. My Nana always let us taste just a little swig of her coffee when we were little. So I carry on the tradition. I let her taste this and she's like, Mommy, are you drinking that coffee? I'm like, yes. Oh, okay. And I got some more hair vitamins too. But y'all, I'm gonna show y'all this package. This is from my corporate office. Like, when listen, I cannot brag enough. Like, they are the best people ever. So I'm gonna see what's inside of here in a second. But CJ wants me to wait for him. I don't know why. But this is so cute. The packaging is so cute. Praying that your Christmas is full of joy and peace as you enjoy time with family and the wondrous delights of the blessed season. This blessed season. We hope you enjoy your special treat that will be arriving soon. What's that? Merry Christmas. And then what's under here? The packaging is like super cute. Oh, it's a mug. Love comes from God. Hold on. Love comes from God. Trying to get it to focus.
That's so nice of them.
Yes, it is. Love comes from God.
It's like a
And then they also sent this. And I actually don't have a towel this year. Like, this is the first year I haven't bought one. So I'm going to put this one up. It says Joy to the World. So nice.
So nice of him.
Y'all, Taylor's so dramatic. Yeah, this is everything right here. Super nice of them.
They got you that tree? Huh?
Hmm?
They got you that?
Dude, that's bent on the...
What's up, y'all? Finally about to go out and to the garage and work out. Kim is finally asleep. So hopefully he'll take at least an hour nap so that I can get a good, nice workout in. But other than that, looking at it to be an easy day. I ran 10 miles on Monday. I did another 10 on Tuesday. So I might just do like 5 today, but we'll see. But I'll keep you guys updated, let you know how I finish. And look at this joker. Knocked out. But now let me leave this dude alone before he wake up. Alright, what's up, y'all? Just finished working out. Did another 10 miles. So that's 3 days in a row that I did 10 miles. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So yeah, Tierra and I, we are grinding. Hopefully, we can keep this up. What y'all doing?
Nothing.
Alright. But yeah, right now Tierra, she's out in the garage working out. I don't know how long she's gonna run for, but I'm pretty sure it's gonna be a long time because she's very competitive. But yeah.
Get off of me! Get off of me!
And look at the kiddos. Wrestling and fighting. You coming over here to say what's up? Oh, somebody fell. You alright? Come on. You wanna say hey? Say what's up. Come on, man. What's that? You don't know? What's that? Oh, okay. Nani. But alright, holla at y'all later on.
Bye-bye.
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. And I don't know why she running around here like she a dog. Growling and barking. She's silly. But as soon as crew starts chasing her and barking, she gets scared. Look at her. Alright, let me go out here and mess with Tierra real quick. But yeah, she's grinding.
How many miles going for then? 3? Let's do a bonus. Let's make that 4. Come here, Prue. So she got a mile. Very good, right here. Grinding.
She been barking the whole time. Cam probably done fell. Come on, Krewski.
You got Prue girly.